Quickly access a SATA SSD or HDD. By connecting to a SATA 2.5 SATA SSD or HDD using this SATA to USB cable, you can add storage, perform backups, create disk images, implement data recoveries, and transfer content to your laptop. Fast transfer speeds with UASP. The SATA to USB adapter supports USB 3.0 data transfer speeds of 5 gigabits per second. Plus you can experience transfer speeds up to 70% faster than conventional USB 3.0 when connected to a computer that also supports UASP. Connect from anywhere. The hard drive USB adapter is a portable solution that tucks away nicely in a laptop bag with no external power required. Save time. The hard drive transfer cable lets you easily swap between drives with no need to install the drive inside an enclosure, just plug and play. Top reviews from the United States. After a disappointing experience with a local PC tech trying to retrieve files from a failed laptop drive, I decided to try this. The tech told me the drive was no good, he was able to save only a few files and none of the many photos. I used this cable to connect the drive to a new laptop. It showed up right away, and after some searching I was able to find the missing files and photos. The documents copied to a new folder without issue. The photos were more work. Some were corrupted and the folder copy method stalled each time it ran into one. It required me to click either try again or skip before the copying would start again. In all, it took a couple of hours, but I retrieved everything of importance from the old drive using this cable. Great purchase. My guess is, the tech didn't want to put in the effort required to monitor the file retrieval process and only recovered what copied easily. I wish I'd tried this cable first. It would have saved me $50 to the tech. I am also concerned about sensitive data saved on the old drive. Not knowing if I should trust the tech with what he might have seen pushed me to change my checking account and passwords. If I had bought this cable first, I'd have saved money and a lot of work and worry. Try this first.